And now that you have established the outer realm, you continue by establishing a space within yourself where you can work with the elements and where you can experience their, let's say, astral realms. It's inner awareness. It's your inner realm of the elements. You, of course, will gradually expand this inner realm to be your inner realm of oneness as the elements come in one by one. And you can connect with it. It's a very powerful tool which you are building up. And it's quite easy to do so if you proceed systematically. With your imagination now, you set up a realm within your inner experience, which is set up for your purpose of the fire element. You need to feel good in this inner workspace. First, you give this realm an external form. You can imagine yourself being in a clearing in the woods, on a beach, a temple, a mountain peak, a cave, or anything else which you like. You can change the looks of your inner realm at any time. And then imagine this realm being surrounded by a protective sphere or bubble. And this sphere will stay around you whenever you move within your inner realm. And there you can, outside the bubble, you can then project fire in any form you like that's within yourself. And the next thing you do is explore the various realms within yourself. And these realms connect, we can say, with the astral planes. It's a model which is still quite useful. Your sphere of protection will be useful when you start traveling in this realm, external and internal protections. And in this inner workspace, you are aware that you are the ruler of your energetic universe. You know that from this workspace you can reach the astral dimension of any energetic form or realm of the universe. Once you have established that connection, it comes to you. The energy comes to you, and this can be sounds, touch, visions, thoughts, whatever. Your memory is stronger, and this can help you recall most of these experiences so that you can write them down after you have removed yourself from the realm. Some students like to interact with the fire element or salamanders, fire spirits, and this type of interaction can take the form of a conversation, of a telepathic communication, or anything else which helps you communicate on this level. The main purpose of this experience of astrally traveling through the elemental realm, can even visualize that elemental realm outside yourself, of fire, is to get a good understanding of it. Once you have extensively explored this realm, you can then connect with it whenever you want to do so, not just after protection and so on. You are familiar with it, you like it already. And this experience takes the function of being like a utensil, which you keep using and using and using. I mentioned that at first. And be aware that this utensil does not have a material object as its focal point, like other magical utensils. It's anchored within the realm of your inner workspace, and your access to the fire can be a flaming triangle or whatever other shape you like to use. And gradually then you can establish many such anchors or gates within your inner realm, within your inner workspace. First the elements, and then you can go to the runes and so on. In this lesson, of course, you learn to establish the gates in this course, to the 4 elemental realms. And of course, when you study some other forms of magic or metaphysical approaches, you can open up realms to the various energetic hierarchies. I talked about runes, I talk about planetary spheres, realms of various groups of entities, Bowden did that a lot, mythological realms as the Christian saints, voodoo deities, Egyptian gods, Tibetan deities, and a lot of other things. Those all are mappings which help you interact creatively, interact with your environment, inner and outer environments, and change it. It's partly action at a distance to the outer environment and also to the inner environment. There's also distance. And you can leave this realm whenever you feel a need or whenever you want to do so. For the first time, your astral travel in the realm of fire, for instance, or any other element should not exceed much more than 15 minutes. Gradually, you can extend the time of your exploration to 1 hour. You need to know that it is not important how long you stay in a specific elemental realm. Your brain works extremely fast there too. It's the intensity of the experience which counts. While you explore your inner realm astrally, you do this with the awareness that it is connected with your outer realm and that both are connected with the cosmic realm of this element.